Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pineville, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of movers will provide you with plenty of options when you book a long-distance move with us, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to consider when you need to complete a long-distance move. Our team can make your move super easy, whether you're going 100 miles away, 500, 1,000, or even 2,000 miles away. You gain access to a team of professionals when you hire a Kentucky moving company. Even a local move can come with a ton of work. If you're overwhelmed just thinking about the labor, hire local movers to handle it for you. 3 Movers is a team of local movers with plenty of experience. We know how to streamline your move to save you time and energy. If you want to arrive to your new location with more energy and sooner, let us handle your local move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pineville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.